Hello everybody, welcome back to the craft room, and this is the collaboration for Butterflies and Birds collaboration here on YouTube, hosted by myself. I'm going to move that. I just done that myself because I haven't got a thumbnail, because I do rely on poor old Lisa, who is not very well at the moment, and this light is getting in my way. I'll move that out of my way a minute to just make sure you can see. Right, let's get organized. Yeah, I had these discs. They're wooden, and I got a pile of them. Never knew what I wanted them for. I thought they were the big coasters, to be honest. I bought them for my class to do decoupage coasters, and that's the size they come with. So I thought, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with them now. But there you go. So they're no good for my class, so they were up on my shelf, and they've been up there for ages and ages and ages. So I decoupaged them myself, and they got little birdies on, and I'll show you what I've been using. I'll show you in a minute. And I've put a little magnet on the back, and they are very strong, and I've done 4 of them, and I've put little hearts on them, different shaped hearts. These got these 2 on, this one got 2 little ones, this got these 2 ones on this side, and they're all on magnets. Then I've come out and I bought, these are from Jayne, and you get 30, I think it was, yeah, 30 in the pack, and you get 2 different butterflies. So you get this sort of butterfly, and then you get this sort of butterfly. Well, you might have 3 different shapes. Yeah, you get 3 different shapes then. I thought it was 2. You get 3 different shapes. Oh, okay, different. So you get 30 in a pack anyway. So I did 1 butterfly, and I decoupaged it with this paper, and then I put these gems. They're the, whatever you call them, I can't remember. But anyway, I put these gems down the center, and these on a magnet, so we can stick on your fridge or whatever. And I was going to give these to the class to decoupage, but I struggled with going in his tenines, so I think the class would, because my class is a bit like that. So whether they would be able to paint them, maybe, I don't know. So they're back in my bag for now, just to think. So I'll come on and I'll do one with you, and I've got this different shape. It's a different shape to that one, and this is what I'm using. And I was looking through my stash to get my napkins. I'm going to stick them upon my lamp. They look cool on my lamp for now. These are, I was looking through my stash for the napkins, and I came across these, and I've had these in my stash for I don't know how long, but I'm sure you could still get them. These are the Tim Holtz collage papers, and they're like a tissue. This one is I don't know what they're called, but it's absolutely gorgeous paper, and it is like a tissue, but this is what you get in there, and it's on a big roll. So that's the one I done with the one butterfly, and I roll that back up. As I said, you get loads on the reel. I don't know if it says how much you get. Six yards you get on a roll, and I don't think they was very expensive. And then this one is all the birds on there, and this is where I got my birdies from. How cute. Birdie darling across the ocean, and it's all the different birds, and then it repeats itself. How cute is that? So that's the ones I used for my little circle ones on the birdies. So I'll put that back in there, and I'm going to use this black and white one again for the butterfly, and we'll go back to the black and white one. I love this, this is gorgeous. I didn't even know I had it, to be honest. It was only when I was, that's enough for that one. So I can put that back in there. And you can make a card with it, whatever, you know, it's I know the magnets are stuck to my scissors. And then I got some PVA glue in there and I've watered it down a bit, and it's quite watery actually, and the bristles are coming up to this brush. This brush can go in the bin. Rubbish brush. So I'm just gonna soak all this and put that paper on top of him. I hope you can see. I can't see what you can see. I think you can. And I'm just gonna place that where you want it, like so. There you go. It's got wording on there. London, Razors, Jones, H.J. Jones. Okay. Name's Jones, you could have had that on there. I like that flower. The daisy. I'm just going to soak it. And then with you soaking it, it'll peel off around the sides easier too. And I did have a nail file, like a nail file it was, in here, and do you think I can find it? No. And if I would have realised it wasn't in here, I would have brought one in from the house, but can't find it. But it was a metal one that I use is for this. I don't know what it might be in there. I did look, but no, I can't find it. Oh, there it is. There it is. I knew I had one. There we go. That's better. I just pulled it off with my fingers, to be honest. And then in the tighter spots, I just went in with with my pokey tweezers is easier. Comes off easier. Oh, don't come off there. Oh, it's smudged that over now. Turn back. Oh, your nana, that's better. Things don't do. Like that. Take that off. And then when you go inside these antennae, I use the pokey tool to poke them. Like so. Get that off there. I'll wipe my fingers off. Okay. I get that bit. And then I'll wipe them off there first. Wipe this up a bit. I don't mind doing that for. I'm going to smother this now with a bit of this PVA. It's so watery, honestly. I can't believe it. I put the water in and I went over the top with the water. There's a little bit of come off. I'm going to get a bit of this and just put it back on the antennae when you stay. It's okay. Gosh, I'm in a mess. Look at the mess here, Jane. There you go. I'll dry that off a bit with the gun, with the tool, not the gun, the big tool. Get a cleaner wipe. Sorry for taking forever. Put that on there in a minute. Better. Back in there. Just dry it off a bit. And the rubbish. Make it look a bit respectable. Okay, that should be okay for a minute. That's all right. I'm just gonna go just lightly. Yeah, that's better. There you go, we got that far. Now we got these again. We don't want the big ones to be. I'm going to put some white ones on, or the clear. No, we don't want clear, Jane. We'll put some white ones on for a change, is it? And I'm going to put the on with some the heat gun, the glue gun I mean. So I know they're going to stay on there a bit better. Just a little bit of glue, it's not a lot. Don't need a lot. One there, and that should be okay. And then we've got to get the magnets that are stuck to the squeezers. And we'll make sure it's gonna be stuck. Put one this side, and I'm gonna put one the opposite side too, because I can, if I can get it off. And then that'll be in there like that. And I shall stick this on there and make sure, yes, he's sticking. Oh gosh, he's strong. I gotta get that bit off there. That's better. And I go over him again with the bit more of a shine. And I put these two back on him because he's wet again. They don't take long to dry. I did have flowers I was going to put on them, but I think he looks cool like that, to be honest. There's nothing on them. A little bit of a shine on him. I'm going to put a bit of shine on this one too, because he hasn't got much of a shine. sorry. So that's my collaboration for birds and butterflies. So there's my birdies, and this is my butterflies, and I hope you like that. And if you want to join this collaboration, if you haven't already, just drop me a line. I'll leave my email in the description box, and I'll leave all the ladies that's already doing the collaboration in the description box. Please go over and check the other ladies out who's already in the collaboration. So please go over and check them out and see what they've made, and I will speak to you all on the next video. So thank you all for watching. Take care and have a lovely evening, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.